What happened when you started walking to school alone? During my first year of walking to school alone, which was in 7th grade, I had a habit of being late quite often. Eventually, my teacher warned me that if I was late again, I would be assigned all the daily chores, such as setting up chairs in the morning, cleaning the boards, and tidying up after lunch. The very next day, true to my lazy nature, I found myself running late once again. Knowing I had to avoid the daily chores, I had to come up with a plan. So when the teacher asked me why I was late, I thought back on the assembly we had a few weeks prior on school safety. I told the teacher that a strange man pulled up to me when I was coming into the school grounds and asked me to come with him to see some puppies. I honestly thought that would be a good enough excuse, and it would be the end of it. Nope. School was suspended for the rest of the day. The police were called. My parents were called in, and I spent the whole day being interviewed. I had to give detailed descriptions of the man, the car, and everything else. As a result of that incident, they decided to hire a security officer for the premises and installed a few additional cameras. We even had monthly school assemblies because of it.